everyone, how are you? Are you all fine? Are you all safe at home? You don't have to go out to play. You have to study now a little bit. So let's start. Students, you all must have learned these patterns. Now we will revise these patterns. This is called standing line. How to write standing line? From first line to down line, standing line. And this is slanting line. How to write slanting line? From top, come down slanting line and touch the down line. And this is opposite slanting line. From up and then come down opposite slanting line and touch down. And this is sleeping line. How to write sleeping line? This is sleeping line in the middle of the two lines. Okay. Now we will learn how to write in red and blue line. This line, first line red line is called first line, first blue line, second blue line, and this is last red line. Now how to write in this red line? Before that I will show you how to write from the patterns. This is called slanting line, and this is opposite slanting line, and this is sleeping line. Now see the magic, okay? This slanting line you have to write here. Then this opposite slanting line you have to touch the top line and come down opposite slanting line, and then sleeping line in the middle. Okay? Now in this A, how to write from the red and blue line? From the first red line, come down slanting line, touch the second blue line. Now opposite slanting line from red line, first red line, come down, down, down and touch the second blue line, and sleeping line on the first blue line. Okay, one more time we will write. Slanting line from first red line to second blue line, opposite slanting line from first red line to opposite second blue line, and then sleeping line on the first blue line. Now that you have learned the capital letter A, now you must have seen all these pictures. Did you all see these pictures last year? Okay, yes. Then now let's see how to write capital letter A. You have to start from top, come down slanting line, then opposite slanting line, and then sleeping line in the middle. This is capital letter A, and A says A. Say A says A. Now tell me, say A for aeroplane. Repeat after me. A for aeroplane. A for apron. Do you know what is this apron? Mummy, when she cooks in the kitchen, she wears this apron and then she does the work. Okay? And A for ant. A for arm. This is called arm. What is this called? Arm. A for ass. Ass is donkey. Donkey is also known as ass. A for axe. This is used to cut the trees, log. But we don't have to cut the trees. We have to save our trees. A for apple. Do you love apple? Do you like to eat apple? You have to eat the fruits. Whatever mama gives you, you have to eat the fruits also daily. A for arrow. Now again we will start how to write from on the red and blue line. Okay, capital letter A starts from top, first red line, come down slanting line, touch the second blue line, then stop. Again start from the top red line, come down slanting line, touch the second blue line, and then again stop, and then sleeping line on the first blue line. You have to make a hill out of it. Now let's see how we can draw A4. There are many pictures related to A4. You must have learned now A for aeroplane. Now from that we will be doing very easy step of A for axe. How to draw axe? Slanting line. You have to make a slanting line first. Then one small triangle on top. Slanting line, opposite slanting line, and then join this two slanting line with a standing line. This is called axe. A for axe. Say A for X. Have you learned how to write capital A on the red and blue line? Okay, if you have learned, you have to practice at home with your mom and dad. Right? So see you. Bye.